Peppa Pig.
Hey everyone, this is Dear Valentine and you are watching my Innovative Kids channel. So today I'm going to show you how to make a Peppa Pig pancake. How many of you watch Peppa Pig? Comment below. So let's get started to make the Peppa Pig pancake. So to make the pancake we take a bowl and put some flour. I'm adding 1 cup of flour. You can also use wheat flour too. So to this, add a pinch of baking soda, 1/4 teaspoon of baking powder. To this, add 2 tablespoons of sugar. You can add powdered sugar also. Give all the ingredients a quick mix. Lot of you are asking me for the name shout-out. So here we go. Hi Anne Maria. Hi Drishti. Hi Shivani. Hi Shreya. Hi Rashmika. Okay. Now let's add 1 spoon of ghee. And to this you have to add 1/2 cup of milk. It's looking like an egg yolk. Adjust the consistency for the milk. The consistency should be like a dosa batter. Mix everything together without any lump. I'm going to make 2 types of pancakes. That is first vanilla pancake and chocolate pancake. So to make the vanilla pancake, add 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence. Give it a quick mix and let's make the pancake. Take the pan, pour the batter as like this. Here I am using a non-stick tawa. It will be made too easy. See how the consistency is? The consistency should be like this one. And you should not spread the batter with the ladle. After pouring the batter, leave it. See how small bubbles are popping out. It is because of the baking powder. Slowly flip the pan like this and you can see the golden color. Within 30 seconds, our pancake is ready to eat. Likewise, let's make all the pancakes with the remaining batter. How many of you like watching Peppa Pig? It is one of my favorite shows in the television. I had the pancake idea from the Peppa Pig only. I like George, Daddy Pig, Mummy Pig, Peppa. In Peppa Pig, Daddy Pig flipped the pancake high in the sky, but the pancake fall down in the ground. So likewise, let's make all the fluffy pancakes like this. My favorite flavor in pancake is vanilla flavor. What about yours? I think yours is chocolate. So let's make the chocolate pancake. So for that, just add 1 tablespoon of cocoa powder to the same batter. Give a quick mix and our chocolate pancake is ready. You can also add chocolate chips to make even chocolatey. Pour the batter like this and don't spread it. Flip it over once the bubbles come. But don't flip it like a daddy pig. It will definitely fall down. That's why I didn't make that thing. Likewise, let's make all the pancakes. The main specialty of the pancake is you don't need to add some egg. It is an eggless Peppa Pig pancake. But when you see in the Peppa Pig, they put egg into it, some flour like me. But it is a quick and easy breakfast for you. I'm going to take a spoon and pour with that to make small pancakes. The mini version of pancakes, I love it. Once you flip it, that's all. It's done. You can serve it. See how the mini pancakes are dancing in the pan. So that's it. You can serve the vanilla pancakes with the honey. Actually, they serve with the maple syrup. If you have that, you can use that. I'm going to serve the vanilla pancake with the honey. See how the honey is oozing out from the pancake. Peppa Pig. Now let's serve the chocolate pancakes with some chocolate syrup. So that's it. I'm going to enjoy with my friend. Finally, my pancakes are ready. Meet my friend Shreyas. Hi. This is vanilla pancake and this is chocolate pancake. Which flavor you like, Shreyas?
I like chocolate flavor.
Okay, you taste that. I will taste vanilla.
It is so yummy and soft.
It's so yummy and delicious and healthy. It's soft inside. I like to see Peppa Pig. I see one video in Peppa Pig. Daddy Pig flubbed the pancake. The pancake go up in the wall. You see Peppa Pig?
No.
What you will see?
I see Shinchan.
I don't see that. I don't like that.
Shinchan, Doraemon, Augie and the Cockroaches.
Now my mini pancakes are ready. I'm going to taste it with some chocolate syrup. I like chocolate syrup. Close it. It's yummy and delicious. Do try this amazing and delicious recipe in your home. And subscribe to my video. Please subscribe my channel for more videos. Thank you. Bye-bye.
Bye.
Okay.
तो खाई तो रहा हूँ मैं